Hey, how you doing? This is El Stevo in the Network 23 Studios for a response video, another one to what's this? One guy, one screwdriver, or screwdriver? Yeah, one guy, one screwdriver. I hear what happens in this video, but I am kind of not looking forward to doing this, but since a lot of you guys out there like my reaction videos, this is going to be very, very painful. So now I'm going to watch this, and of course this is in response to the famous Trag and his reaction video. So anyway, here we go. It's loading.
You are demons, and I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Ah! Oh, jeez. Shit! Damn! Damn! What is with these people? Oh. Oh, gee, my gosh, what is with these people? Oh, nasty ass stuff. Sorry for the cursing, but gee, man,